Here's a 1954 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. This is a 5-window, as you can see. Nice truck. Actually originated out of Arkansas, so it is a solid truck. Paint on it, it has a few blemishes here and there, a little orange peel, not perfect, but very nice driver quality. I'll kind of point out a few of them when I get around to them so you can kind of get an idea on the blemishes. As you can see, nice polished aluminum wheels. This particular truck is powered by an inline 6, and that is teamed with an automatic transmission, and that is stock. Here's an example, a little one there in the fender, a little spot up in the hood here. But overall, nice paint, but like I said, it's not perfect, but a solid truck. Nice runner driver. Stock drivetrain, that inline 6, an automatic transmission. Here you can see the back part of the 5-window. Cool looking trucks. Bed's in nice shape. Wood bed, stainless. Chrome bumper, nice shape. If you'd like to see the underside pics of this or the engine bay, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. We'll start it up here too so you can see how it runs. Here's a little spot kind of around where the fenders are held on. See the fit and finish, nice fit and finish of the door. Let's go ahead and fire it up. As you can see, the interior lower seat's been reupholstered, so the interior's in nice shape. Headliner. Kind of cool. It displays the drive positions. Make sure we're neutral. And on this one, push button over to the left. And it fires right up. As you can hear, smooth running truck. It's a 1954 5-window Chevrolet pickup 3100 with the inline 6 drivetrain and automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, or check out any of the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.